Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted messages on WhatsApp from local backup. So first step, you need to go into the file manager, and once you are here you simply need to go into the all files, internal storage, and here you need to search for the WhatsApp. Okay, and you can see this is my WhatsApp business, and this is the backup that you need to check. So this is the file that I have the backup. Once you are confirmed that you have the backup, you need to go back and you need to open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp. Click on that and you need to uninstall the WhatsApp, and then you need to reinstall the WhatsApp. Once you done that, you need to add your number and you need to select the, and when you add your number, and next window will pop up where you need to add the code, and then you need to select that backup from local, and then you all messages will be recovered in your WhatsApp. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.